If you see the error, "Sorry, we couldn't create your Google account," while signing up for a new account on Google, it usually happens due to verification issues, network problems, or too many account attempts. Try these fixes. Fix 1. Check internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn on airplane mode for 30 seconds, then turn it off and try again. Fix 2. Use a different phone number. Sometimes the number has been used too many times for account creation. Try another active number that can receive SMS verification. Fix 3. Clear Google Play Services cache for Android. 1. Open Settings. 2. Go to Apps. 3. Tap Google Play Services. 4. Open Storage. 5. Tap Clear Cache, then restart your phone. Fix 4. Try creating the account from a browser. Open Chrome or any browser, go to accounts.google.com, create the account manually instead of using the phone setup screen. Fix 5. Avoid too many attempts. If you created multiple accounts in a short time, wait 24 hours and try again. Fix 6. Change device or IP address. Try another phone or use a different internet connection to avoid temporary restrictions.